Hello everyone, and next I am come up with the remaining methods in the string concept. So please try to understand the concept and go through my channel on YouTube, Jairam Infotech. Subscribe my channel and like my videos, and comments if you have comment if you have any doubts regarding the concept, so that I can clearly explain the program line by line and clear your doubt. And thank you, and let's go to the session. And next method under the string concept is the upper method. So this is upper method checks whether all the case based characters of the string are in uppercase or not. And the syntax for the uppercase is the is dot upper, string dot is upper. And next it has no parameters, it has some value true if all the case characters in the string are uppercase, else it returns some false value. And here you can observe the program. Here string I have taken a str string. It has some value, that is this is string example. In this string all the characters are in uppercase. And next I am calling the upper method, string dot is upper. And then I have taken another method. This is string example. Clearly observe here in this second string only first four characters are in uppercase, remaining are in lowercase. And then I am calling the is upper method. After executing these four lines, I got the following result. Why? Because here is dot upper method returns only the characters in the string. All the characters in the string are in uppercase. Only in that way it returns the value as true. That's why the first string value written as true. Why? Because here this is string example. Here in this string all the characters in the string are in uppercase. That's why we get the output as true. Whereas compared to the second string, here only the first four characters are in uppercase, so and remaining are in lowercase. That's why we get the value as false. This is something about the is upper method. And then we have the join method. So what is meant by join method? The name itself suggests that it returns a string in which the string elements of sequence have been joined by str separator. And the syntax for the join is string dot join of sequence, and it has a parameter called sequence. It is a sequence of elements to be joined. That means we can mention the number of elements to be joined, that is held by the parameter called sequence, and it has some return value. It returns a string which is the concatenation of the string in the sequence seq. The separator between the elements is the string providing this method. And so kindly observe this program. You can get the some idea on the what is meant by the join method, string join method. Here I have taken a string that is some underscore like one, that is underscore, that is separator, called separator. So the separator is enclosed in double quotes, and those value is and the separator value is stored in some variable called s. And then here I am passing the some characters. I am storing the some sequence of strings, that means a b c, and these are the collection of strings I have stored in a variable called seq. And then I am calling a method join, that means s dot join of seq. Kindly observe the print statement. Please observe the print statement. Print of s dot join of sequence. Here dot is an instance operator. By using this instance operator, I am calling the join method, and s is a variable which has a value is separator, and sequence is a collection of characters we have, that is a b c. So while calling this method and printing this method onto the output screen, and we get the output as follows. That is a separator, b separator, c. That means a b c are the three different strings. Those are separated by using the separator. So this is about the separator in the separator concept. That means the join, that means how it join the all the strings collectively. That is the main aim of this method. And next we have another method called the length. That means by using this length method we can sorry, measure the actual length of the string. We can get the actual length of the string, and it has syntax as follows: length of str, it hasn't any parameters, it returns some length of the string. Consider the following example. This is the string example, and str, this store the value in str. Next I am calling the method length of the string, that is len is the length of str is the value that is stored in, this is the string example. And then as soon as executing the above two statements, we can get the output as 32. Why? Because it counts the every characters, it counts the every characters in the string which is enclosed in double quotes. So that is from t to, and from the last exclamatory mark, the character, the cursor goes to the every character and count it as treated it as a one characters, and count it as a value 1 up to the till the end of the statement. That's why I get the output as 32. This is something about the length of the string method. And next we have another method in the string is called the ljust, that is a left justified method. So it specifies the string length, that means is left justified of the string, that means padding using that means we can observe the syntax. What is meant by string left justified means string dot l justified of width and some fill characters. So we have the two parameters. First one is the width, the second one is the fill character. What is meant by width means here this is the string length in total after padding. That means the width parameter holds something, tell us the this is the string length in total, that means the length of the string after padding. And next fill character, this is the filler character, default is a space. And next returns, yes, is return some value in a string of the length. While executing the program, the original string is returns if width is the less than the length. And kindly observe the program. I have taken a small program. This is the string example, is the some string value that is stored in str, and then I am calling a method called ljustified by using the instance operator print of string dot left justified of 50 comma asterisk. Here asterisk are enclosed in single quotes. Why? Because after executing this method I am just calling the method left justified. That means 50 characters, that means at the end of the string, at the end of the string at the end of the string after the 50 characters, it prints the asterisk. You can observe the result here. This is the string example. At the end of the after the exclamatory marks, you can clearly observe the asterisks continuously. Why? Because here I am printing the string justified. After 50 characters you have to print the asterisks. That is the main aim of the method left justified. Main aim of the method left justified. And we have another method called lower method. That means here the lower method returns a copy of the string in which all case methods are in lower case. String dot lower is the syntax. And kindly observe the program. Here I have the string, this is the string example, all these characters are in uppercase. And as I call the method called string dot lower, and it returns the value. This is a string example. So I have taken all the characters in a string in uppercase, and as soon as I call the method string dot lower, the characters in the string, each character in the string is converts to the lower. That is the lower case. That is the main name of the method, lower method. So we have other concepts or other methods are also there. So I can discuss these methods in next class. So please subscribe my channel Jairam Infotech and like the videos. Thank you and all. Have a nice day.